Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to play Sharkbite with my friend that starts with P. This guy right here. Yeah, this guy right here. I guess he's my friend at school. But by the way, we're not the same class, but we know how to do. Sharks win. Yeah, and we also know how to make videos. So if you ended like this video, please sub and like. I just need content to make. So let's get started. So we're on the first match. By the way, I have this hovercraft. So should I join him? No, I'm not joining him. How about he joins me instead? Hello. Yeah, right this boat. Yeah, right this boat. Let's go. That guy's in jail. What happened to him? What? What? Why did he jump off? Sit. Sit. Lag. Why is he laggy? Maybe he's on mobile. Oh, broken boat, broken boat, broken boat. Let's see if someone's here. Let's see if the shark's here. There's the shark! Hello! Can't catch me. What did he say? Let's 2v1 the shark. Yeah, boy. Okay, he's under us. Oh, he's back. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, snap. He can't even get us because we're... Wait, okay, let's see if this... Oh, wow! Go, 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 go! No, my boat! I can't believe you! You shark! You shark! My beautiful hovercraft. What have you done? Okay, I'm gonna lead him. So like I'm swimming. And so like it's like this, right? when the shark is going to be here. When I like, here we go, a boat. Thank you. There! I don't know what language he's saying, but the only thing I know, he also speaks English. Yes, I got shot. This is what you need to practice in the arsenal, boy. Can't catch us. Let's go. Ugh! No. I wanted the one we want him. Let's see what's in the store while we wait. Blue mortar boat. Sharp skill. Yes! I want one that. Wait. He won. Fine. I'm just playing this for fun. By the way. There we go. Now you can go up here. Double sharks. Yes, double sharks. Double sharks kinda like a challenge, but I hate being shark by the way. Next shark. Oh, wait, Golfinata. Wait, that guy wasn't. Yeah, he was in this boat. How about invite him again? I'm inviting him again. Please join, please join, please join. Fine, he don't want to join. There's his boat right there. Where's his boat? Where is his boat? His boat was the catamaran. Catamaran. The catamaran looks like this. Any catamarans around? Oh, and all eyes is just. No! No! I can buy the catamaran. Well, wait, after this, I'm gonna show you like a glitch of the pirate ship that can make like the pirate ship fly. So if it happens to you, so you're in luck. When it's like the shark is chasing you, and then you can like need to like bounce from an island and then go up. Yeah, I think this guy is using on controller because when he's like moving like I'm in Minecraft. So want the boat. I want the boat. I want this boat. Shark's right there. Hurry up, get on. You know, you do it. There are two guys. Oh, one more. Yeah, we're going to like to play some couple games.
It's not until you fall that
Oh, sorry for the hold up.